Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix error code 0x800704cf on Xbox console. Method 1. Power cycle your Xbox console. To do that, you need turn off the Xbox console, then unplug it from the power outlet. Wait at least 5 minutes. After that, plug the Xbox console back into the power outlet first, then it's time to power on the Xbox console. Connect to the network with your console and test the internet connection. It's always better to test this by connecting with an Ethernet cable if possible. Method 2. Clearing the alternative MAC address. Go to Settings. Go to General. Select Network Settings. Now, select Advanced Settings. Select Alternate MAC Address. Select Clear. Restart your console, then try login again and check if the issue persists. Method 3. Use manual alternate port selection. Go to Settings. Go to Network Settings. Go to Advanced Settings. Go to Alternate Port Selection. Select Manual. Now, choose next one down in list. Select Continue, then check if are you able to log in yet? If not working, please come back there, then try one by one port in list. Method 4. Use Manual DNS. On the home screen, select Settings. Select General. Select Network Settings. Select Advanced Settings. Select DNS Settings. Select Manual. Here, I will use Cloudflare DNS. I will type 1.1.1.1 as the primary IPv4 DNS. And type 1.0.0.1 for the secondary IPv4 DNS. Additionally, you can also try with other DNS such as Google DNS, OpenDNS, etc. Once done, press the menu button on your controller to save, then see if the problem is fixed. Method 5. Power cycle the router. To do that, you need unplug the modem and router from the power outlet. Wait at least 15 seconds. Plug the modem back into the power outlet first, wait 1 to 2 minutes, then it's time to power on the router. Wait for all panel lights on your cable modem to become green on before testing your internet connection. Connect to the network with your console and test the internet connection. It's always better to test this by connecting with an Ethernet cable if possible. Method 6. Try connecting to a different internet network or the router. If you have more than one router, try replacing the router you are using with another router. We need to do this to eliminate the possibility that the problem is caused by the router's strict security features. If that's not possible, try connecting your console to a different internet network, such as a neighbor's wireless network, mobile data, LTE, 4G, 5G, etc. After that, try login again. If it works, then just switch connection back to your router. Method 7. Factory reset your router. To do that, make sure keep your router plugged in. Next, find your router's reset button. This will be on the back or the bottom of your router. Use a paperclip or similar object to hold down the reset button for 30 seconds. Release the button. Wait for the router to power back on, then check if you can log in. Method 8. Factory reset your console. To do so, go through the following instructions. Go to Settings. Go to System. Select Console Info. Now, select Reset Console. Then, Xbox will show you the following 3 options. Option 1. Reset and remove everything. Option 2. reset and keep my apps and games. And option 3, cancel. The first option will reset your console and also delete everything from your console. Hence, if you have saved all your games to the cloud, you can select this option. But if your saves are not on the cloud, we suggest you select the reset and keep my apps and games option. This will reset your Xbox console without deleting your game data. That's it guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.